Hey guys! Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to episode 1 of the Money Making series. In this, I will share the methods that I personally tried, in details, the pros, cons, steps, everything you need to know to decide if it's right for you. So, let's get started. We all have old stuff just sitting around, collecting dust. What if I told you that you could actually make money from it, and it's super easy? Method 1. Making money by selling old stuff. In this video, I'll share how I turn my unused items into cash using the FreeUp app. Also, I'll share how much exactly I earned at the end, so stay tuned. Firstly, let's see what is FreeUp. FreeUp is a resale platform where users can buy and sell pre-loved items like clothes, accessories, kitchenware, and more. Advantages. Suitable for everyone, whether you're a student, a working professional. No special skills needed. No investment required, completely free to start. Super easy to start, takes just a few minutes. Great way to declutter and earn quick cash. Disadvantages. Might take time to find buyers. Limited income, depends on what you're selling. You need to manage shipping. Sometimes the delivery partner may not respond, and FreeUp has limited control over that. Steps to get started. Step 1. Download the FreeUp app. Head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the FreeUp app. It's free and super easy to use. Step 2. Create your account. Open the app, sign up with your details, and get your account ready in just a few minutes. Step 3. Post items you don't use anymore. Find anything around your home that you no longer use. Take clear pictures of the item you want to sell. Front, back, and any close-up details or damages. After logging in, click on the Sell option at the bottom of the app's main screen. Add item photos, enter item information. Add a descriptive title for your item. Select the category. Set the price based on market value and item condition. Write a detailed description of the item. About size, brand, condition, etc. Once everything looks good, click Post to list the item on the marketplace. Step 4. Accept orders and pack your items. Be ready to answer questions or negotiate with interested buyers. When a buyer purchases your item, you'll receive a notification. Then pack the item using any old box or packaging material you already have. No need to buy anything new. Step 5. Ship the package. FreeUp will arrange a pickup from your address, so just hand it over when the delivery person arrives. Step 6. Withdrawing money from FreeUp. After the item is delivered to the buyer, the money from your sale will be credited to your FreeUp wallet. To withdraw the money, choose the withdrawal option. Enter the required banking details. Once the withdrawal request is processed, you'll receive your payment directly into your account. Other important points. FreeUp deducts a small payment transfer fee per sale. A pickup fee may also be deducted, depending on the item you're selling. Always ensure clear communication with buyers, especially regarding returns and refunds, to avoid misunderstandings. For those who stayed this long, here is a little bonus. Post your items after 10 p.m. I've noticed sometimes there is increase in visibility and sale during this time. Use the boost feature. It pushes your listing higher in search results. Be open to negotiation. This helps sell faster and clear more stuff. As I promised, here's my earnings reveal. I sold around 9 items over the last 3 months and made approximately 2,407 rupees and 570 coins. It is not bad for stuff I wasn't even using. Use the code C3YB4 to get 300 coins free in your wallet. Or click the link given in the description. If you're starting your money-making journey, this is a great first step. It's easy, low effort, and gives you the confidence boost to try more. Hope this helps someone out there. So like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this, or if there's any method you want me to cover in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.